Okay, friends, we're going to continue along with paragraphs. This paragraph is on page 62, and at the top it shows us some pictures of what we're going to be learning about. So we're going to be talking about fish, frogs, alligators, bird, and a dog. Okay, let's read it. Many animals have bones. You can't see them. They are inside. Many animals have bones. You can't see them. They are inside. Wow, I didn't think that's what they were going to talk about. But that's true. Many animals do have bones, and you can't see them because they're inside their bodies. Okay, when we talk about paragraphs, remember there's a big space at the beginning, and that's called an indent. We have to indent our paragraph. That's very important to remember. Usually it's a 3-finger space, okay? So we are going to do that again. We're not going to do muscle memory trace. We're going to copy it to the lines. And then when we get down to the next line, remember it has to come all the way over to the line, okay? All right, here we go. Many animals have, now remember, I'm looking to see if your lowercase is in between these lines, if your Y is coming down, if your L's are going up, because that's what we want to see. Okay, so many animals have bones. Now we came clear over to the side. Okay, so I didn't start bones right here under the M. I went clear over to the side. Period at the end of a sentence. Capital letter for the beginning of the next sentence. You. Now this is an apostrophe T. Means cannot, but we squish it together and put can't. See them. They are inside. Nice job. Oh, and I don't forget the period at the end. Okay, now inside is one of those phonemic words that it sounds like 2 words, but it's just 1 word. It's inside. Okay, now let's flip our page over to page 63. We're talking about another paragraph, and this paragraph we're going to talk about a lobster, a crab, snail, and a turtle. So, some animals have shells. You can see them. They are outside. Yep, those are called exoskeletons, and you can see them outside. Okay, again, indent. Your paragraph goes all the way in, and it goes all the way in, and so we want to indent our paragraph. Then we come all the way back, and we have to start clear back at this line. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Capital S for the beginning of a sentence. Now remember, if I go too fast, you can always pause the video. All of these lowercase letters need to be inside the 2 lines. Okay. Okay, there's a period at the end of every sentence, a capital at the beginning of the word of the first of the beginning of a sentence. You can see them. And what goes at the end of a sentence? A period. What goes at the beginning of the sentence? A capital letter. They are Outside. And outside, that's one of those words that we learned in our phonemic awareness. It sounds like two words, but it's actually one. Outside. Nice job, friends. Kiss your brain.